Have you ever taken a moment to look closely at the hidden world in your garden? Right beneath the bright petals, there is an entire tiny universe waiting to be discovered. Just look at this incredible, colourful grasshopper taking a quiet break on a flower stem. Its intricate patterns and striking colours are nature's very own masterpiece. It's a gentle reminder to slow down and appreciate the beautiful little details around us. What's the most fascinating bug you've ever found in your garden?